First day in Ninh Binh. We took the night train. Dropped those little iPhone clips I did right now to show you how it went. I wasn't really planning on filming until the morning because we're getting on the train, but super funny, we just ran into our motorcycle. I thought it was already on a different train that was gonna take longer, but apparently it's gonna get on the same train as us tonight. So I know it's packaged up pretty decently. The mirrors are folded down. That's really all they can do unless they want to take apart the whole thing. That's so funny, our bike's right there. Going to Ninh Binh. In 12 hours we should be in Ninh Binh. That wasn't terrible, but I wish we could have got a soft sleeper where there's 4 beds to a room instead of 6, supposedly softer than the hard beds. But I slept decent. I slept better than I thought I would. When we first started rolling down the tracks, I was like, holy shit, I'm not gonna be able to sleep. But I slept pretty well. Because there are other people, I don't want to disturb their privacy. But we are on the top bunks. We have storage right here. I will probably show you the hotel once we're there because it looks amazing. Oh shit, our bike actually made it to Ninh Binh. Entirely surprised, but it is really sketchy when your bike has to go separate from you. And it made it. We're here. We still have our motorcycle. We just need to figure out how to get out of the crate now. Anyway, we're here now. Out here around 10, we went and got lunch. We kind of had a lazy day. I put together a video, necessarily cooling off, but now that it's supposed to cool off, we are going on our first adventure here. 500 stairs or something to the top, and then there's a pagoda and just some sacred things up there. The whole area is incredible. It's just right outside of the city, Ninh Binh, and it basically just goes from flat ground to crazy huge rock structures. It's amazing out here. The beginning to torture. Whew, let's do it. So we're easily 2% done and already tired. Already looks awesome though. Looks amazing. In the shade. Keep it going. 2 routes to go. Got the dragon over there, and then we've got something else up here. We chose to go this route first, and then we go up that one over there. These stairs are no joke. These stairs are pretty much sketchy ladders. All right, the first peak was successful. We're gonna head up over here to the dragon now. So I don't think it's the best idea to launch the drone on this side of the mountain because the other one was a little bit lower. It's kind of blocking the wind. So I'll show you the drone shot from over there. Holy shite, that was... We are covered in sweat. I've got sweat dripping down my elbow, my eyebrows. Holy crap. That was so worth it though. We got some cool pictures. The views alone were just worth it there. The pictures are a bonus. The small amount of drone footage I got is a bonus. I have earned myself some beers this evening. Not that I don't drink a beer almost every night that we've been here, but I definitely earned them just now. Well, I'm gonna call it. Tomorrow morning's a new adventure. I'm too tired to do any more filming. I could care less about filming right now. I'm sweating my ass off.
So I'm calling it a day. New day, same clothes. Dropped off laundry this morning. We're going on a boat ride. This is our one and only adventure today. The pictures we've seen and the videos we've seen look amazing. We're here to see it for ourselves. It's $300,000 for 2 people. It's one of the more pricey things we've done on this trip, but it really looks like it's worth it, and we'll put it to the test. We'll see if it is worth the 300. So we basically take out one of these boats and they paddle with their feet. It's the craziest thing. I'll have to get some video of them paddling. And we are off. We've seen the ladies paddle with their feet. I don't know if this gentleman will. Maybe at some point he will. Who knows? We'll see. But we are about to venture off into some jungle, forest beautifulness. This is not a statue. We thought it was.
It's so dark.
So our hotel told us that they run the last boat at 4 o'clock. So we made sure to get here at 3:30, and there's nobody on the river. We're the only 2 in our own boat, and it's freaking amazing. Down. We've seen all 3 caves. We've got to go through 2 more to get back. We've shown you everything, or I'm going to show you everything. We've had a great day. We got to go pick up laundry and get some dinner next door. And that's it for Ninh Binh. Tomorrow we're heading to Halong. I think we're gonna try to push it hard all the way to Halong. It'll be our 2nd biggest ride if we actually make it to Halong. Oh, that's it for Ninh Binh. Thanks for watching. Peace. We'll see you in the next video.